One love, family, wholeness. Jesse Tree here. I'm just making my dinner juice for while I'm on retreat in Sedona. Gonna go to the prana retreat with my teacher Ellie Tom and my friend Shana Dean. It's gonna be fun for me to get out. And just wanted to show here that I just took a whole watermelon and juiced it. And I'm still not done wringing it out. But you can see how a watermelon is like more than 95% juice of living water, hydrogen water, and just a little bit of fiber in there. So, you know, it's a way you can eat your water and get good hydration, you know, and, I'm just straining this pulp out because of my breatharian thing, I put enough fiber through my system. It's good on your path towards, healing, to include plenty of dietary fiber shown to connect with longevity. And basically it works as an intestinal broom to clean out, mucoid plaquing and stuff that may be inhibiting your absorption, But, watermelon juice is super hydrating, super mineral rich, nice alkalizing, tasty treat. This is like pretty much an out of season watermelon, but I love watermelon so much I don't care. I saw one and I grabbed it. Day 144 of dry fasting, 23 hours a day. I'll show you the rest of what I'm having for dinner tonight. This I'm taking with me, and a recipe we're making for the family. So here we are, family. Got a little more of the oyster mushroom that we harvested, that big 3.6 pound mushroom. Made tacos al pastor the other night. Tonight we're making pulled pork barbecue sandwiches. So we're just going to fry these in oil and get them a little bit caramelized and cooked down. Get the water out, and then we're going to add some organic barbecue sauce. And then we're going to put that in the oven at like 450 for, about 15 minutes, just to kind of brown it and cook it in. And then the family will put that on some buns with some coleslaw that my wife is making now with some red cabbage. Red cabbage has wonderful benefits. Red and green cabbage have different benefits from each other, so you should check into that. There's a book by our company founder called The Green Foods Bible that details all this. And a little bit of green juice for the family. That's what I'm having. Here's my dinner set up. Got my celery, apple, cucumber, lemon juice. Got my usual Azumio hydrogen water. My red ginseng. My dragon herbs, goji and spring dragon formula. Got a power shake in here. Got a sort of fun holiday or fall kombucha here, and a little chocolate elixir with ginseng and dandy blend, and or Siberian ginseng, dandy blend, and deer antler and cacao. So hope you got something from it. Oh, and this is my little this is like a little yellow mustard and maple syrup with just some broth. So some warming stuff and orange stuff today. All right, family. Hope you got something from this. One love.